How to post anonymously on Facebook group as a member. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to post anonymously on Facebook group as a member. So for that, just open your Facebook account, and after that just simply log in into your account. And once you are logged in into your account, all you have to do is just click on the three dot icon from the top right corner, and over here just select the group section from the list given below. Right below the Reels section, just click on groups, and now on the top you will see these options like for you, your group, discover, and other option. Just click on your groups and it will show you the list of the groups that you are a member of. So for example, I'm a member of this US business group, so just simply click on it. And now when you scroll down, you will be able to see the option called anonymous post, feelings, and other things like video announcement and events. So if you want to post anonymously on this particular group that you are a member, so just simply click on anonymous post. So what it will does that it will hide your identity as a member of this particular group, and it will send the post that you will post right now or something that you want to share in the group as an anonymous member. So just simply click on got it, and after that you just simply have to create a post over here. Just write anything that you would want to share in the group. For example, I want to write anything that you would want to add, and you can also add colors to the post according to your choice. And once you're done editing the post, just click on post from the bottom, and your post is now getting uploaded. And as you can see that it has been posted, and as you can also see that this post has been sent as an anonymous participant. It is written over there. So this is basically how you will be able to post anonymously on Facebook group as a member. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.